Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. So today we are going to do two paintings. We are going to do a flip cup on this canvas, and then we are going to be doing a Dutch pour on a larger canvas. So we are starting off with the 12 by 16 level 2 Artist Loft canvas. And it was prepped with the DecoArt Americana Outdoor Living Porch Swing. Everything is a 4:1 ratio, so we have to have a thinner paint for Dutch pours, but I want to see how it reacts as a flip cup as well. Let me turn on this other light. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the paint colors, and then I'm going to tell you the mixture ratio. We've got the DecoArt Americana Satin Enamels Deep Ruby. It is 4 parts pouring medium, 4 ounces of paint, 4 ounces of pouring medium, 1 ounce of paint, and 0.2 ounces of water. That is going to be the exact same mixture ratio for our DecoArt Americana Lamp Ebony Black, as well as the DecoArt Americana Cocoa Bean. So 4 ounces of pouring medium, 1 ounce of paint, 0.2 ounces of water. To get this gorgeous color that we have right here, I mixed together these two DecoArt Media Fluid Acrylics, the primary magenta and the cadmium orange hue. It's 4 ounces of pouring medium, 0.5 of the cadmium orange hue, and 0.5 of the primary magenta, and no water, because these are thin enough you don't need to add water to them. And then we have the DecoArt Americana Snow Titanium White, Americana Outdoor Living Porch Swing, and then the Outdoor Living Hammock. These I made bigger batches of because we're doing a modified Dutch pour with them. And so for all of these, it was 9 ounces of pouring medium, 2 ounces of paint, and 0.3 ounces of water. All right, I think that is all of them. We are going to go ahead. We're just going to do a standard flip cup on this one. And then once it's done, we're going to move it out of the way and bring in the bigger canvas for our main pour today. Sorry, I had to get some coffee. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I think this was not successful. 4-to-1 ratio I think is just too thin to try and do a good flip cup on, but now we know. Didn't use that much paint, and this is actually one that we can still use and put a vinyl on. We can put a really thick vinyl and just kind of use this as the background. So all is not lost. It did not turn out the way I wanted it to, but I don't know if I really had any expectations on a 4-to-1 flip cup. So we're going to get this moved out of the way, and then we are going to bring in the bigger canvas, which is the one I really want to do, and we are going to get started on that. Okay, so we are back. This is a 18 by 24 level 3 Artist Loft canvas. It does have the inch deep sides. And what we're going to do is, I say a modified Dutch pour. Technically, it's still just a Dutch pour. We're just putting the base coat down differently. So we are going to take our lighter colors, which is our hammock, our porch swing, and our white. And we are actually going to do a flip cup with them. But because I want to get those kind of mixed together, and then we are going to use the darker colors, which is the black, the deep burgundy, and then our mixture of the primary magenta and cadmium orange hue. And then we are going to do some puddle pours with those and then kind of blow those and see what we get. We are going to use the Conair Cord Keeper 1875. I got mine at Target for like 16 bucks. It does come with the attachments, but I also put the link down in the description so you can get it on Amazon as well. We are using the highest air pressure, but the lowest heat setting without pressing the little button. We don't need to press that because we're not hitting it long enough with the air to kind of cook the paint. Sorry, needed a drink of coffee. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get started on this. This is kind of an experiment to see if it works. And let's get started. Okay, I think we are going to leave it just like this. I might try and fix this little section here. Okay, I'm going to stop messing with it. Okay, we are all done. We are probably just going to leave this here for the rest of the day and let it dry because I don't want it to shift any. I'm glad I saw that. I don't know how that got in there. I strained all my stuff. Let's even that back out. Okay. I'm going to look for any more clumps or hairs or anything like that, but we are done right now. So this was part 1. Part 2 is just going to be sealing it. I know we are not going to be putting a vinyl on this one. We are just going to seal it in resin and bring all this shine back out. But the other one, we will probably put a vinyl on. So stay tuned for part 2. Once this fully cures, then we're going to resin and all that fun stuff. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section, and I will do my best to get back to you. A little hair. Down in the description, all of the paint colors used, as well as the mixture ratios, and also links to my Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, as well as my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. Again, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. I hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed weekend. And as always, God bless.